victims were central. Does work on the safety, on the integrity, how does it react?
What you learn about in the course, we see it happening in real life.
98% of aid workers are from the local countries, but we still have those old power relations that can be really harmful.
This is not really abnormal situation at all. Like for the Philippines, we always have a lot of international NGOs, aid NGOs, and then we have this kind of situation.
And to see the approach that the Ministry of Foreign Affairs here in the Netherlands is applying, and to also talk about the difficulties in doing this work and how these issues are sometimes being instrumentalized, and how we can make sure that we're actually really trying to transform power relations and to make sure that these things are not happening again.